Smart factory, intelligent production, SP, smart manufacturing, industry 4.0. With all these terms you can quickly get confused. If you feel the same way, this video will save you. Let's take a look at the term intelligent production. Ready? Let's go! Intelligent production describes a network production process that maximizes the potential of resources and communicates with different departments. Now, that sounds very dry. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine a company. For example, let's take the theoretical company Great Pens. Great Pens produces great pens. In the production of such a pen, various factors play a role. For example, the material, a machine, a tool, employees, etc. Now, Great Pen gets an order for 500 pens until the end of next week. What the intelligent production now does is that it collects all the data from the different departments and compares whether this is possible or what needs to be done to make it possible. In other words, it now controls. How much material do we need for 500 pens? How much do we have? Do we need to order anything? If so, is there enough time or do we need to make an express order? Is the machine ready? Can I fulfill the order or not? Besides, there's also a little AI in the intelligent production. It can recognize, for example, whether there are always more pens ordered before the start of a new school year. It can then indicate in advance when the orders are coming in again. By the way, did you know that our MyXPert production family covers the entire intelligent production? Our production manager is the core, and all the other products can be attached like modules, but it can also work with third-party systems. For more information about this, just follow the link in the description. Intelligent production avoids downtime, increases productivity and efficiency, and improves quality and yield. But there is a prerequisite for this, and this is essential. The fuel for intelligent production is real-time data. And not just data, real-time data. Because without this whole planning just stays theoretical. If Mr. Sample takes a tool out of a shelf and that is not registered, the best program can't plan properly. Great, now we just have to add intelligent production to the whole clutter of keywords that we heard at the beginning. It's pretty simple. Smart manufacturing is a part of intelligent production, and that is a part of Industry 4.0. What that is, you'll learn about in this video. What topic should we cover next? I hope this video could help you. If so, please leave us a like. To learn more about technology and industry, just subscribe to our channel. So, I'll see you then. Bye!